Welcome. This is to prepare you for test 5-1 test review for an academic class. So what do you need to know to be successful? You pretty much need to know how to solve a one-step equation and one-step inequalities and know the difference between closed dot, open dot. Again, closed dot means it's equal to something. It has a little line, bar underneath the inequalities. And then open dot is just less than and greater than. And then you have to know how to shade it when you make a number line. Pencil costs 55 cents each. A pack of pencil costs $11. Which equation can be used to find the number of pencils in one pack? So it costs, let's think about pencils cost 55 cents each. So it's 55 cents per pencil. Is that adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing relationship? It's a multiplying relationship because if I buy 0 pencil, it will cost me 0 cents. 1 pencil will cost me 55 cents. 2 pencil will cost me $1.10. Again, you put a multiplication dot right there. Number 2, ticket sales at the movie theater need to total at least $7,425 each week for the theater to make a profit. Movie tickets cost $6.75 each. Which of the following could be used to find T, the number of tickets the theater must sell each week to make a profit? Well, first of all, movie ticket costs $6.75 each. That's a multiplication relationship. And they all show that. But then it says at least. That means 7,425 is the lowest amount it can be. It cannot be anything lower than a number. That means all the numbers have to be higher than that or equal. This is why C means at least is the same thing as saying greater than or equal to. Number 3, which number line correctly represents the possible value of n? So we have to solve this. So we divide by negative 12. Divide by negative 12. Remember, there's multiplication dot right here. Divide by negative 12. Cancel. Divide 36 divided by negative 12 is negative 3. So it could be either answer. It could be this one or this one. But if you look at the choices, the only one that shows negative 3 with a closed dot is letter C. And we rewrote it with the variable going on the left side. N is less than or equal to. So this is why we're shading to the left side. When does the inequality flip? When you multiply or divide by a negative number. So in here, as a reminder, you have to flip the inequality. Whenever you multiply or divide, you have to flip it around. So we flip it around to this. So it could be that one, negative 3 is greater or equal to n. So next one, number 5, given a scenario following inequality, pick the following correct scenario. Which one shows this? Alyssa bought jeans for $22 and some shirts that equal. That's not an equal sign. Alyssa's going shopping. She buys a pair of jeans that cost $22 and some shirt she has at most. That means the most amount of money she has is $65. Can she be more than that? It has to be less or equal to. That's not the symbol for less or equal to. Alyssa is going shopping. She is buying a pair of jeans for $22 and some shirts she now has. That's the same thing as saying equal. So D must be the last one because she will spend at least. That means $65 is the lowest amount of money she has. That's the lowest. Everything has to be greater or equal to. Which of the following can be solved using the equation below? So this shows 5.5 times x equals 22. A plant grew 22 inches every 5 months during a science experiment. How many inches was the plant at the end of the science experiment? So how many inches was the plant at the end? So in this one, why would this one would not be the answer because it grew 22 inches every 5 months. How many inches was the plant at the end? It didn't really give enough information to tell you how to solve it. So that's why A cannot be the answer. B, a plant grew 5.5 inches each month during a science experiment. At the end of the experiment, the plant was 22 inches tall. How many months was it? That's why B is the best answer. It's 5.5 times the number of months equal 22 inches. C doesn't make sense. It was conducted for 22 months At the end of the experiment, a plant had grown 5.5 months. How many inches did the plant grow each month during the experiment? Let's see. See, this is not giving you enough information to solve it for this one because we're looking for 5.5 times something, and the same thing for the last one. All right, so next one, number 7. What is the solution of this? So I divide by -3 on both sides. Cancel. -21 divided by -3 is 7. Notice what I did here. Because I am multiplying and dividing by a negative number, I have to flip it around. Think about it. This means like you do the opposite of it. So opposite of less than is greater than. So that's why C is the answer. I predict that this will be one of the most missed questions that's coming up, that people are going to forget to flip the inequality when they're multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Think of this as the opposite. Number 8, how would you solve this inequality? The length of a line segment x increase, that's why it's a plus, 8.5 unit, is greater than or equal to, that's the symbol. So subtract 8.5 on both sides. If x 24 and 3/10 minus 8 and 5/10. Let's show you how to subtract this. Can 5 take away from 3? No, we have to take away from the 4 to become a 3. So we're regrouping. This becomes a 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Can you take away 8 from 3? Nope, got to take away regroup. 1, this becomes a 13. 13 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. 15 and 8, 10. And D is the only one that has 15 and 8, 10. Number 9, the model below shows this. X minus 3 equals 6. Some people do not like solving through model. If you do not like solving through model, you can solve it algebraically. Is X isolated? No. How are you going to, what's the opposite? Minus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Cancel. X equals 9. Or, same thing with the drawing. So how do you cancel? Is X isolated? No. How you can cancel? Add 3 to both sides. 3 to both sides. Cancel, cancel, cancel. That's 9. Number 10, solve this. Is X circle this. Is X isolated on the left side? No, we need to multiply 4 on both sides. Cancel. -3 times 4 is -12. And number 11, which set can make the inequalities true? So subtract 15 on both sides. Cancel. So that's 11 is greater than n, or n is less than 11. So we are doing open dot numbers that are less than 11. So what numbers are less than 11? 2, 8, and 10. Number 12, we add 256 and 52. So Mrs. Norton spent $256.52. Spent means you're taking things away on her son's birthday party. She has more than, that's why we get the more than symbol right here, $29 left. So solve this. Add $256.52 to both sides. Cancel. If you add $29.00 to $256.52, it's $285.52. Which of the following is more than this amount? This is exact, so nope, it's A. I bet you some of you circle C because it says more than. And that is what you need to know. So again, don't forget that you need to flip the inequality when you are multiplying or dividing by a negative. And to solve equations and inequalities, you need to do the opposite operation. Good luck, guys.